Let me show you how to create a simple portfolio website using Canva. So we can do this for free and we can create a professional portfolio website in less than 10 minutes. So the first thing you need to do is to come to Canva and make an account. So you want to create an account. It can be a free account. So we are currently using the free account to do this. The other thing you need to do is that you must have written out what you want to create a portfolio about, like what your services are and what you've done in the past. So I came to ChatGPT and then I asked it to just create a very simple stuff for me that I can use to make this video. So after that, you want to come to Canva again, and from Canva you can find a lot of things that you can do. You can come here and just search for what you want to do, but we are trying to make a website, a portfolio website that will showcase our skills, our services, and the things that we have done in the past. So if you come here and click on the website, you will have the option to start building your website from scratch or using templates that other persons have designed professionally for you to use on Canva, and of course for free. If you wanted to start building it from scratch, this is where you can start building it from scratch. But in most cases, if you are going to use Canva, you basically want to use pre-made templates to make your process faster. So if you come here, you can see different templates. If you cannot find them, you just want to click on designs here, and you are going to see different tailor-made content or templates that you can use to design your portfolio website. So you can just come to the top here and say you want a portfolio. So it's going to give you portfolio designs that you can use and create your own. So you want to go through and find the one that suits you the most. So I'm just going to look for the one that I like and we can work with that one. So I actually like this one, so I'm just going to click on that, and you are going to see all the pages that comes with this templates. You can also see the template style. At the bottom, you are going to see related templates to that one there. So I'm just going to select this one, and you have the option to select the pages you want, but I'm just going to say apply all pages. So it's going to apply all the pages here, and we can basically customize it or edit it to suit our need, and we can start using it as our own. So I really like this one because it's very simple. It's not overwhelming. It's just straight to the point, and we can start customizing it. So the first thing you can do is you want to come right here and you want to make the name your own. Of course, you want to change the name. So I'm just going to change the name right here. So you can actually spread out the name if you preferred it. So I think I prefer this one. I can highlight it and change the color. Let's say I wanted to use this orange, I can just pick it from the document color. So you can also edit this by clicking on it and changing it to whatever you want, but I like it that way, so I'm not going to change it. So here you want to talk about what you do. So I'm going to come to ChatGPT here, and it gives me what I do here. So I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to paste it right here. So let's say I wanted to make this a spot yellow. I can also highlight it, and I can change it to orange rather. So you can come right here and you can change this picture by coming to your uploads here and just selecting any picture that you want. So let's say I wanted to use this picture. Of course, this should ordinarily be a picture of me, so you can just replace that picture right there. And so you want to come here about me. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to use it as my own about me. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to put it right here to make it look good. Of course, this is too long. I can reduce it, I can shorten it so that it will fit in properly. So I'm going to drag it somewhere right here. I can remove this element if I wanted to, so I can just basically keep it somewhere here. So let's say if I wanted to also make somewhere here like orange, I can still do that. So it's just colorful that way. So here you can upload your recent work, like a screenshot of what you've done, videos of what you've done, and all of that. At the bottom here, you can also upload the services that you render. For instance, if I come here, you can see what I do. Facebook ads setup. So I can just copy that. I can come back right here. I can paste it somewhere here, and I can basically repeat the process across all of these. So you can come here. This is where you put like your social handles and all of that. Let me show you how to actually put a button so that people can reach you or click out to reach you wherever you are. So let's say you wanted to send them to a link. You can come to elements here, and then you can search for a button, or you can just create a shape as a button. So you can just search for a button and find the one you want to use. So we are going to come to graphics, and we click on see all right here. So let's say we wanted to use this one. You can just click on it, and it's going to appear somewhere right here. So let's say we wanted to put it somewhere down. So you can just drag it somewhere here, and you can resize it if you wanted. So here you want to make it a button, a clickable button, so that they can reach out to you. So once you click on the icon here, you can click on these three buttons here, and you want to link it. So you can link it to wherever you want it to go to. So let's say I want to link it to my website. I can just say link it to my website, or any link that you want to link it to at all. So I've selected where I want this thing to go to. So I'm just going to select that, and this becomes a link. So you can come here, click on done. And every time they click on this link, it's going to bring them to you. However, I want to make this a link so that they will know it's a link. So you can come to test again, and then you can add like a test, and you can just say maybe let's work together, or contact me. So you can increase the size of that to make it bigger, and you can just drag it and put it somewhere here. You can change the font to make it clearer. So let's say we want to use something like Roboto. So you can make it bolder so that it's easy for them to see, and it's also a link. So we are practically done with our portfolio site. You can add as much as you want. So you can add a new section if you have more things to include. You can add a new section. You can put your email right here. You can put your Instagram or your phone number. And once you are done, you want to preview it to see what it looks like, both on system and then on computer. So if you go and check out your button, you want to make sure that your button is clickable. As you can see, it's clickable. If they click it, it's going to take them to the link. So you also want to preview it on mobile to see what it looks like on mobile. So it looks fairly okay on mobile. So you can edit here and make it more mobile optimized. But we just want to publish this website. So you want to come here, click on publish, and you want to name your website and give your site a name here, which is going to be your URL. So you can just edit it if you wanted. So I'm going to edit it. Let's say maybe I'm just going to say maybe my portfolio. I'm going to add portfolio here, and then I can just say publish. So this website or this portfolio is going to be published online, and you can share this link as your portfolio website. And this is all completely for free. So this is your website URL. You can basically just copy it and send it to people, and they can view it. So this is how you use Canva to create a free portfolio website. And I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.